right. You're in my house.
Now, if you want me to land you in the head with this bat, I'll do it.
I know. I just got through fighting some dummy with a baseball bat.
Back off. I'm telling you once. Not gonna tell you again. Not gonna tell you again.
I'm gonna get a fucking stick out the woods,
fucking way you want, but you get away from my kid.
I'm going to get a fucking stick out the woods and show you your baseball bat ain't shit, nigga.
We're playing.
Bang. I'm gonna get a fucking stick out the woods. 3 times the size of your bat and show you ain't shit.
All right, Eduardo, let's get ready.
Blow your brains out.
You want a problem?
No.
You want a problem? You want a problem?
Oh, I already fought a baseball bat, don't.
You want a problem?
Don't.
I'm telling you, what a problem? We'll call the cops and I'm first gonna bash your head. First I'm gonna bash your fucking head, then I'm gonna call the cops. You got off, motherfucker, or you die right now.
Back to
Yo, Ray. No, you have it. Yo, I got all the shine camera, yo. It's crazy. Yo, look at that nigga got a stick. Atta boy. Highlights. Nigga just came running. That's you, Ray. Go get it.
We're looking at that fucking guy, right?
That was you, Ray. Should have had that. Atta boy.
Fuck, yo.
Should have had that. Yeah, down there.
I've been looking at that fucking guy over there.
Fuck that guy. Fuck that guy.
You ready now? Are you ready now? Are you ready now? Are you ready now?
Yo, fuck that guy, yo.